I want to go to question 10b. Before I go to question 10b, right now what I want you to also check back all those questions we have solved so far. We have solved question 6 in our previous video, 6a, 6b, 7a, 7b, 8a, 8b, 8c, 9a, 9b. Right now we just finished number 10. So if you have missed any of the video, please check the playlist and pick up the video, or you check the comment box for better description. As you have all know that mathematics will soon be reaching the next few hours. So I move to 10b. 10b says something. What was that? If 124 base n, if 124 base n is equals to 232 base 5, that is 124 base n equals to 232 base 5. Now what are we going to do? No matter any base you are given and you want to solve any problem, maybe want to give you an issue, convert all of them to base 10, which I can say standard. So the rest will be set to, so convert all of them to base 10. Convert all to base 10. Convert all to base 10. Now on my way to convert the rest to base 10, so I'm converting in that is 0, 1, 2. So I'm having 1 times n square plus 2 times n raised power 1 plus 4 times n raised power 0 equals to, same way again, 0, 1, 2 equals to 2 times 5 raised power 2 plus 3 times 5 raised power 1 plus 2 times 5 raised power 0. So with the simple mathematics, we are good to go. N square plus 2n plus n raised power 0 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4 equals 5 square is 25 times 2. That's 50. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 1 is 2. Now I'm rearranging it. N squared plus 2n plus 4 equals to 67. N squared plus 2n plus 4 minus 67 equals to 0. That's what we are. Hope I'm not too fast. If I'm too fast, you can also play back to check, watch and watch. N squared plus 2n, 4 minus 67 is what? That's minus what? 63 equals to 0. Now here we are at the factorization level. Think about two numbers that you are going to multiply. I'll give you minus 63, and when you add them up, they will give you 2, or they give you 2n. So what are they? If you think very well, I think I can pick up on 9 and 7. Let my calculator also witness my statement. I want my calculator to witness my statement. I said something. So I'm saying 9 and 7 in what modality? Plus 9 times minus 7. What's that in the calculator? So my calculator also has witnessed what I'm saying. So I'm using plus 9n minus 7n minus 63 equals to 0. I believe you can see my camera. N into bracket n plus 9. That's when I'm factorizing. What is common there? Minus 7n plus 9. How do you know you are correct when you have the same value here? That shows that you are correct. So this one they are the same. Pick any one of them. N plus 9. What is outside? N and minus 7. Put them, create house for them as well. Equals to 0. So equate each of them to 0. N plus 9 equals to 0. If n plus 9 equals to 0, n equals to what? Minus 9. Same thing. When n minus 7 equals to 0, n equals to 7. That's how we finish question number 10A, 10B. Let's go to the next question. So So now that we have settled question number 10A and 10B, we go to the next question. Remember, if this video you are watching is your own first video, please do well to turn on the notification button, press the like and share button, because we are preparing for mathematics that will soon be written in the next few hours. Check our video playlist to pick up all the videos you have missed that we have released concerning mathematics that will be written tomorrow morning. Okay, now I'm going to number 11. And the question 11 says something. And what is it saying? Question 11 says something. And what is it saying? Says I have exhausted my book. These are the books I used for the previous work that I said should check the video, but you can see comprehensively in our previous video. I have used this. Let me quickly use this one for my number 11. I pray it will contain my number 11. So let me use this place as my 11 solution. Now the question said we have scores. Start ranging from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and they have their frequency respectively. So without wasting time, this is statistics, and there is no way statistics will not be coming out, both mathematics and economics. I think it came out yesterday. Economics. Now it's also appearing in mathematics. We have our score here. Let's call our score X, our frequency F. I believe you can see my screen. I say I have the data from 1 to 6. Is it from 1 to 6? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They have their frequency 2, 5, 13, 11, 9, and 10. So since we want to deal with mean deviation, you must know mean. And the formula for mean is summation fx over summation f. Definitely we need fx. So let's work out our fx. F times x, that's f times x. 2 times 1, 2. You also take it off from where I am and put your answer in the comment box. That's how we know if I'm communicating. 1 times 2, 2. Those of you that we did live together yesterday, physics, thanks for being there. And those of you that are also online with me, thank you for being there. And let's continue doing it together. So 1 times 2, 2. Please always check our comment box that will be attached. That's where we'll be having informations. Some information that we cannot put verbally, we'll write it down in our comment and pin it for you. Alright, 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 13 is what? 39. 4 times 11 is what? 44. 5 times 9 is 45. And 6 times 10 is 60. Give me the sum up and let's move forward. If you sum up this one, you will have 200. And if you sum up this one, you will have 50. Now I have known my mean. They said we should find what? We should find what again? We should find the mean deviation. The formula for mean deviation anywhere in the world is just deviation. The deviation itself, the deviation of mean, which is summation f modulus x minus mean over summation f. In the meaning of this modulus, this bar is to remove the minus. So definitely I need a column for x minus mean. So I want to create a column for x minus mean. You can see where I'm picking it. I will need a column for this. I also need a column for this because this must multiply. But you do it orderly. You don't rush. When you are doing calculation, anybody can make mistake. X minus mean. X, that is 1 minus mean. But we have not gotten our mean. Sorry for that. We have not gotten our mean. Let's get our mean. That is 200 over 50. And our mean is what? Our mean, that is 200 over 50. 200 over 50, and that is what? That is 4. Our main is 4, so we are good to go. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3, right? But because I don't want us to waste time, I will introduce this bar directly, live and direct, so that we will not be repeating statements. So minus will be disappearing. 1 minus 4, that's minus 3, minus disappears. 2 minus 4, that's minus 2, minus disappear. 1, I believe you can follow the trend like that. 0, 1, and 2. I don't need to sum it up because that's not what I need. I need another column for f times this deviation. So I'll create this own column. F x minus mean. F 2 times 3, that's a 6. Take it off from where I am and put your answer in the comment box. Let me wait for you a little bit. I will pause for like a few seconds to see your response if you are communicating. As you are doing it, submit your answer in the comment box and I will confirm with you. So we have 50. That's a 55 times 2. That's 10. We have 13. We have 0, 9, and 20. If you sum up this one, what do you have? Put your answer in the comment box. I have 58. So that is, I'm having 58 over 50. Press the calculator and give me your response in the comment box. 58 over 50, what's the answer? If you have done it right, you have 1.16. Confirm the answer, I'm waiting. Confirm the answer, I'm waiting. So that is how we finished question number 11A, the one that requested for mean deviation. So let's go to the one that said we should find the probability that a score selected at random is at least what? A 4. Is at least a 4. Wow, what a meaningful and interesting question. At least a 4. That is 4 will be the least mark. It can be 4. It can be 5. It can be 6. All right, let's do that quickly. I think let me use this side because this place is too small for me to use. 11B. Probability. Please press your like button, turn on the notification button, share with your friends, put your comment in the comment box. So probability that a score selected at random is at least a 4. It's at least a 4. So I will just write it like this. So probability of getting 4 is what? This is 4. What's the frequency? 11 over what? 50. 11 over 50. Probability of getting 5. Probability of getting 5. That is 5 over 9. And probability of getting 6 is what? Probability of getting 6 is 10. 10 over what? 10. That's 5 over 9. Sorry for that. It's an error here. That is 9 over 50. Sorry for that error. And this one will be 10 over 50. So since you say at least 4, that is, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6. Let me say it properly. It can be that is 4 or 5 or 6. And whenever you hear the word "or" in probability, it's talking about addition. That is probability of 4, probability of 5, that's probability of 4, or 5, or 6, which means 11 over 50 plus 9 over 50 plus 10 over 50. Find your SCM, you know everything's over 50 like that. When you sum it up, you have 30 over 50. To the lowest number, you'll be having 3 over 5. I think that's how we settle all the questions we have on our screen. The possible and the expected question come tomorrow morning. We have the question already solved. we have solved question. If you have missed any part of the video, you know this one is number 6, telling that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have been solved, and the remaining part, 12 upward, also have been solved. So on this this moment of the video, and let's say its own series, we have solved question 6A, 6B, 7A, 7B, 8A, 8B, 8C, 9A, 9B, 10A, 10B, and lastly we solved question 11A, 11B. Please, the one you have missed, do well to watch the video. Take your time to watch, to practice it, rehearse it, as we also meet again in the next video. Remember, this is a platform that we work with our viewers 24/7. When I say 24/7, anytime we get information that is very useful for our viewers, we quickly release it on the media so that our viewers will benefit. That's why we always say turn on your notification button. When we are on for a particular information, you'll be the first one to grab as well. Also, always check our comment box to see our WhatsApp channel and where we drop information. Alright, till then, bye.